The silence bends and breaks. You took away my keys, and every breath it takes, I cannot walk a step without your shadow's trace. Each movement that I make is a violent embrace. You found my deepest flaw, you saw my inner hell. Now you play with me like a cruel child in the dark, tearing down the wings of a dying, broken lark. A one-way street of love, an altar of defeat, where I must bow my head beneath the storm and sleet. But you still need my pain to feed your hollow crown, and I still seek your hand just to watch me drown. We drink this bitter cup, this stagnant rancid flood. Your cold content has turned into my lifeblood. This is the sickness of love, a cancer growing deep, a one corrupted cell that rots us while we sleep. You are my great infection, my torture and my sign, but still your dying body is the antidote to mine. Bound to the unlivable, we embrace the hearse, slaves to a love that watches us collapse under the curse. The friends have all stepped back, the bridge is burned to ash. Inside our little cage, the world has gone to crash. I have no face remaining, my name has stripped away. An echo on your floor, a ghost that came to stay. You feed upon the void, you hollowed in my chest. The deeper that I fall, the more you feel possessed. My strength is fading fast, the mirror's turning white, a voluntary prisoner of a foolish oath in the night. We poison one another without a scream or cry, a slow creeping murder beneath the frozen sky. I waste away from you, you waste away from me, two specters condemned to the same long agony. This is the sickness the poison and the antidote.